The system works, the world moves, because someone, somewhere, is showing up. This is not just a tribute, this is a reality check. They don't have LinkedIn bios, they're not in meeting rooms. But without them, there would be no meeting to begin with. Before the world sips its coffee, they've already stirred life into the day. Their names aren't on office doors, but they're the reason we reach ours. A skilled hand should belong to a grown dream, not a stolen childhood.
काम है तो क्या करें, अभी धूल मिट्टी तो हमको खाना ही पड़ता है.
Some wear helmets, some wear chappals. Their day starts before sunrise and rarely ends with it. They leave their homes behind so their families can move ahead.
मैं अपने बच्चों के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ, बच्चे पढ़ लिख रहे हैं.
The ones who give the most joy receive the least of it. Why do we respect roles instead of effort?
क्या अच्छा बनाया वैसा अगर कोई बोलेगा तो अच्छा लगता है.
अभी इस उम्र में अभी समय खत्म हो गया, अब क्या सपना पूरा करेंगे.
If every worker is essential, why does the world still rank? A fairer system isn't a gift, it's their right. Today, we are not just thanking them, we are rethinking everything.